Welcome to this clear and concise tutorial on importing a Word document into WordPress in just a few minutes. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the site has loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you will find the login option. Click on this login link to proceed. After clicking on the login button, you will be taken to the authentication page. Instead of entering your credentials manually, you are offered the ease of signing in with a third-party account. Look for the option labeled Continue with Google. Once you have located that option, click on it and select the Google account that you wish to use. This simplifies the login process, making it both swift and secure. Once you have successfully logged in using your Google account, you must navigate to your WordPress dashboard. In your dashboard, you will see a section referred to as Quick Links. Within this area, find and click on the option that is labeled Edit Site. This action prepares you for accessing the site editor, where you can manage various elements of your WordPress theme. Inside the site editor, direct your focus to the top right corner where you will find a plus icon. Clicking on this plus icon allows you to add new content to your site. This is an important step as it gives you access to different content blocks available within your WordPress editor. Once the new content options are displayed, type in File into the search field. By doing so, you are filtering the available elements to locate the one that handles document uploads. After typing in File, look among the filtered results and click on the element labeled File. This is the specific content block designed for handling files, including document uploads. Moving forward, now that you have selected the file element, you will need to click on the Upload option provided within that block. Clicking on Upload opens a File Explorer window on your computer, allowing you to browse your local files. Navigate through your folders until you have found the Word document that you wish to import. After selecting your document, confirm the upload by clicking the appropriate button in your File Explorer. WordPress will then import your document, and you will soon see a preview of how the content appears on your website. This method provides a straightforward way to import document content into your site without having to manually copy and paste text, which can be prone to formatting issues. This step-by-step method is designed to be both user-friendly and efficient. It takes advantage of the seamless integration between Google Authentication and the WordPress site editor to allow even beginners to perform this task with confidence. Following this guide will help you maintain a smooth workflow while enhancing your website content with ease. Enjoy the simplicity of this import process and the ease it brings while managing your WordPress site.